So jumbo loans. Now, when I talk about luxury real estate, my cutoff is about 750, right? So 750 plus is more or less going to be 750,000 plus is going to be luxury real estate. But jumbo loans start at what? 510, 560?
Yeah, it's not so much the price of the home; it's the price of the amount financed.
Yep.
So, 5, 10, 400 is the traditional cutoff for single family houses. And
Okay.
then multifamilies, it adjusts accordingly. So 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, they all increase with their loan limit according to the how many units they're on.
Mm-hmm.
And then in some higher priced areas of the country like Boston or San Francisco or Miami, the conforming loan limit of 5, 10, 400 gets increased a little bit just because the amount of real estate that's above 5, 10, 400 is a lot. So
Oh,
they adjust it for that. But in common areas like Rhode Island, it's all 5, 10, 400.
now mortgage rates, as we know, have been down, 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 and jumbo loan rates, correct me if I'm wrong, are usually typically a bit higher than your typical than your traditional mortgages like a conventional mortgage or FHA or anything like that, right? So the jumbo loan rates happen to be a little bit higher. Obviously, it's more money, a little bit more risk. Those markets a little bit tougher to turn usually.
Yeah.
Give us an idea of and I know you can't quote a rate because they always change, but give us an idea of where they're floating right now.
They're still quoting the low threes for
Oh,
jump. And conventional loans are right around high twos, low threes. FHA low threes.
yeah.
The jumbo loans have adjusted with the market just like the other loans have. The amount of different programs have changed though. So what I mean by that is that different investors in different banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, they have different loan programs for jumbo loans. So some of them require certain FICO scores. Some of them require a certain amount of reserves. Some of them have down payment requirement differences.
Yep.
So you have to put more down or less down, or you have to have a certain amount of money in the bank after the transaction gets done, which is reserves. So they have their different nuances. And once COVID hit, a lot of these big investor banks shut down their jumbo loan options. So there
Huh.
wasn't as many programs to choose from as there was pre-COVID, but a
Okay.
lot of them have come back. So that's a positive thing. They adjusted their guidelines with FICO scores. Like, for instance, some of them require a minimum of a 720. Like, you can't, and then others have 680. So I think because of COVID, most of them are at 720 or 700 for a minimum FICO score. So those are the different changes that you have, and customers that have an appetite for the jumbo loan market, just be ready to talk to multiple lenders about what they're offering and to
Okay.
figure out what the best program that you have available to you is.